2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love doing math. I love doing math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love doing math. I love doing math. Hey, math is so easy to me. It's so easy. Count it up like.
Hey everybody, welcome to today's lesson on algebra. I'm so excited, we're starting a new topic. These next 2 weeks are all going to be about reviewing algebra. Now, algebra is my favorite thing to teach in math, and maybe I say that everything is my favorite, but algebra actually is my favorite. I love algebra because it represents a whole different way of thinking mathematically. For some of you, this may feel like review, and that's okay. Algebra is weird and it's challenging, but it's super, super important, and we want to make sure that you are ready to take on algebra next year in middle school. So before we get started on our example problems today, let's look at a few important definitions.
An equation is a statement that two expressions are equal. So for example, 4 plus 9 is an equation because it shows that 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Equations always have an equal sign. 16 divided by y equals 8 is also an equation. However, this is an algebraic equation because it has a variable. Y is a variable. A solution is the value of a variable that makes an equation true. So, for example, for 4 plus y equals 9, the solution to that algebraic equation is y equals 5 because 4 plus 5 equals 9. If we look at 15 divided by x equals 3, the solution is x equals 5 because 15 divided by 5 equals 3.
Okay, welcome back to my kitchen/classroom. Before we get started problem solving today, let's look at our directions. Now, these are the same set of directions that you are going to encounter on your independent practice and your quiz today. Determine whether a given value is the solution to an equation. And you can see that the two vocabulary terms that we just learned are underlined. So let's apply these directions to solve these problems. In problem number 1, we have y plus 9 equals 15. We now know that that is an algebraic equation. That's the equation being referred to in the directions. Our directions ask us to determine if the given value, in this case it's y equals 6, is a solution to this equation. Now, if it's a solution, y equals 6 can be plugged into this equation to make it true. So let's take a look. Y plus 9 equals 15. Instead of writing y, I'm going to write 6. So I have 6 plus 9 equals 15. Well, I know that 6 plus 9, and remember, you can use a calculator to support you, but I know that 6 plus 9 equals 15. So this is, in fact, a true statement. 6 plus 9 does equal 15. Plugging 6 into our equation to substitute y makes this equation true. Therefore, y equals 6 is a solution to this problem, and we can write yes. Yes, y equals 6 is a solution. Let's look at number 2. We have our algebraic equation 28 minus m equals 21. Instead of writing m, though, I'm going to plug in the given value, which is 8. So I have 28 minus 8 equals 21. Well, 28 minus 8 equals 20. 20 is not equal to 21. So my answer is that no. M equals 8 is not a solution for this algebraic equation. Let's look at one more problem together. All right, we'll call this problem number 3. And for this problem, we have 5x equals 35. And our given value is that x equals 9. Now, you might be a bit confused here because we have x, okay, that's our variable. That's our variable here. But there's no symbol between the two. There's not an addition sign or a subtraction or a division or a multiplication symbol. Well, when we have a number and a variable side by side, we automatically know we're doing multiplication. We reviewed this earlier this year. If you forgot, it's okay. If we don't have a symbol between a number and a variable, we are doing multiplication. So we're doing multiplication here. All right, I'm going to plug in this given value, x equals 9, to my algebraic equation here to see if it works, if it's true. So I have 5 multiplied, and I'm going to do a little x and distinguish it from my variable x, multiplied by 9. Okay? And if this is a solution, it should equal 35. However, 5 multiplied by 9 equals 45. It does not equal 35. Therefore, no. X equals 9 is not a solution to this algebraic equation. All right, you have all kinds of practice to do on your own today. You have a quiz to do on your own. Tune back in tomorrow for more algebra practice. Have fun!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love doing math. I love doing math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love